Welcome to The Dragon and the Griffin, Season 1, Episode 9. Rites of Passage and Decay. Passage of time, the passing of people, and the passing of places are left to decay. From whatever time period you come from, you know of the great structures built in the name of belief, in the name of royalty, in the name of good deeds, or in the name of yourself. From time to time, places do withstand the tests of time, and the people long since forgotten, yet the buildings do remain. The language is lost, the culture forgotten, the reasoning of why this place was built in the first place. Some say for honor's sake, others might say for viewing of the stars. What do you think? As time is ever flowing, walking by the riverside, I can see the ripples of places long since forgotten, and the reminiscence of people that still linger in the past memories. Long enough, you can hear the conversations of the past through the wind. If you look onwards to the horizon, where the river vanishes in the sea with the land and the sky, you can almost see the flags of lost kingdoms. You can hear the swords clash and the armor pierced and the bodies violated. You can almost smell the death that lingers around this great hall, where the dead are laid to final passage. As time has its own passage, so does the soul. From this place, and time to time. If you are lucky, you get a rest in between. As for me, I do not get a chance to rest. What I was, what I have always been, and always shall be, walking along the riverside, watching time pass by, listening to the wind, waiting for a call, and then I will come. When I do come, you must be prepared to pay for services rendered. Silver does nothing, but it does help. Gold will not buy anything but greed. Gemstones will not purchase you anything but trouble, but they can heal. You must be ready to surrender yourself to me. You must be ready to dance when the music starts. When the music stops, either you will surrender yourself to me, or you will have payment ready in full. Payment can be anything that has any value to you. A memory, a thought, a piece of quiet, a place to rest, a place to feed. If you call, you have to pay. If you claim that you did not call, you should check your intentions. You should never whisper into the wind, unless you are ready to dance, unless you're ready to call. Be very wary what you wish for. You may get it. If we are around, I know you will. But at what cost and to who? Are you ready? If not, then don't call. Don't dream into the wind, and do not wish upon a star. For what comes to you when you call, you might not have any control over. Remember, when you look into the horizon where the land meets the sky, it's a small string that keeps the two separate. If that string is to break, then all the wishing that you will do will not save you. If you are able to keep the string that keeps the land and the sky apart, then you are very lucky. You will have the power to call us whenever you need. You will have the purse fat enough to pay for our deeds, whether you know it or not. If you do not know what you call, then you should not be seeking for things that lay in the shadows. Do not look for things that are not visible to sight. Do not go poking into corners that you do not belong to. Stay in your warm home, in your down-filled beds, and just dream. But do not wish, for if you do, then we will come. Then you must pay. Remember, listen, call for a favor, pay the price, or do not call us at all.